Scouts ESUKURU yoboroso ya KISII egotoka ime ye ward ya KISII Central ebunge ya Nyaribari chache ase county eyo nigo bono kianyara kobage koenekia GOKORIA BUYA ase AMAAMERERANIO a nationals ayo anyara kobaga koenekia barabo kwegwa kwebwera Ebiegwa ao
Kulingana na mutineneri o Scouts ase skuru eyo kaka Steve Maraga nigo aenekia Obuya wa Scouts ase Ogokinia Ebiegwa kupatikana ni morobilio bwa masomo o CBA nanya nabo nige kiumbe kyo kibwate obulemerwa ase bono baganetie abantu bo moyo bugwancha kubakonya eli kogenda asense ya Tanzania chitariki 12 cy'umutinyo 12 omwaka yega ase AMAAMERERANIO a East Africa mulikito Petro Machini na mange
Ikiombe gia Scouts gia skuru yoboroso ya KISII Comprehensive kutoka ime ward ya KISII Central ebunge ya Nyaribari chache county ya KISII nigo gia GOKORIA ase AMAAMERERANIO National Scouts na kwebwera Ebiegwa bierigana ria mabera Kulingana na mutineri o Scouts ase skuru eyo kaka Steve Maraga nigereire Nsoko TV igoro y'obuya bwa Scouts ase Ogokinia Ebiegwa kupatikana n'omurobero omuya bwa masomo o CBE.
So when we compete at all the levels. We have competed in drills, we have competed in competitions when we go out for camping, and we have emerged champions not only in KISII Central Sub-County but also in KISII County. So we represented KISII County in the national competitions which were held in Nairobi, and having qualified from there, we are now headed to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania for the East African Championship. Now we are grateful because the school offers an opportunity to the young learners to practice what they learn in class. CBE, competence-based education, is all about what they are able to do, not only academically, but also in other fields. So scouting is a nice experience in this school because all those students who are in scouting are also engaged actively in even environmental conservation activities like tree planting and conserving the environment.
Sensemae omwegere na buigoyo mobwa aba Scouts abo nigo bagokire Ebiegwa bieda hapo banyora ase AMAAMERERANIO a national.
Yeah, I'm very much pleasure of having the medal right now. This medal here we've been awarded for qualifying to go to East Africa coming date 17 December this year. Actually, KISII Comprehensive is a school that supports scouting. Here in school we are having two sections, that is Songora and also Chipukizi. Songora entails the younger grade, majorly age bracket is from age 7 to age 11, while the Chipukizi level entails the age 12 up to age 13.
Climate change, and it's all about scouting is fun. Yeah.
Nigo kaka Steve aboria baiboli wanchira bana babo koso ase kiumbeke erikonyora maya mange araro.
Scout bravo! Scouting is fun. So when the parents wants a child to be actively engaged, wacha aruhusu, let him or her allow the scouts or the student at home to come and join the scouts, because when they join scouts they are very disciplined. In the scouting, number 1 is discipline and number 2 is academic achievements. So kwa wazazi ambao wako nyumbani tunawaomba muwaruhusu watoto wenu wajiunge na sisi. Now looking forward to what we have done in the school level, we have mentored many like the ones who are having the gold medals today. We have mentored them so that as they proceed ahead to senior schools, they can continue being scouts, because once a scout, always a scout.
Nabo ekero bearigantie gochikogenda imense ya Tanzania ase AMAAMERERANIO a East Africa chitariki 12 mutinyi 12 mwaka oyiga nigo baborire abantu bomoyo bugwancha gwesona nigati eriko bakonya ero baike chinse mechio eriko AMAAMERERANIO ne chinse chinde,
because we need funds to get outside Kenya and then compete with the rest of the East Africans. Like now, these scouts qualified to go to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, lakini up to this moment as we speak, we have not got anybody to sponsor us so that we can go to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Every scout needs $60. That's an equivalent of 8,000 as a registration fee ya kwenda huko. and the journey is very expensive because we are going to be there for 5 days. So our major appeal to anybody out there, please come and support KISII Comprehensive Scouts so that we can get transport to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kutoka ESUKURU yoboroso ya KISII Comprehensive kutoka Ebiegwa ya KISII Central County ya KISII chini kwa Pethuel Machin.